Welcome back to the Pixel Pub for the unboxing of the Fanttik E1 Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver, a tool that promises to make your PC builds and upgrades as smooth as a perfectly poured pint by yours truly. Now, that's a tall order. We'll see how it stands up, though. First off, let's appreciate this packaging, clean, compact. I'm always here for very minimal packaging, and this doesn't disappoint. There was definitely plastic around this USB-C cable as well as the screwdriver itself. I definitely did not forget to hit record the first time that I unboxed this. Just use your imagination when it comes to that. So inside we have the enthralling manual for this screwdriver, definitely a front to back cover reading material right there. And then, of course, we've got the screwdriver set itself. Comes in this aluminum alloy storage case. Really nice function feel here. Feels really high quality. Comes with 24 precision S2 steel bits, a USB-C Type-C charging cable, everything you need to tackle those intricate PC builds. The screwdriver boasts a pen-shaped ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold during those long build sessions. It's going to offer two torque settings, 0.05 and 0.2 Nm, ideal for delicate components like motherboards and GPUs, plus the manual torque of up to 3 Nm. It's versatile enough for all of those various tasks. The magnetic design ensures your bits stay securely in place, reducing the risk of losing screws or those bits, which can be a common headache during some of those builds. With 24 different bits, you're definitely going to be equipped for any challenge that you might come up against. Charging this is a breeze with the USB Type-C port. A full charge gives you up to 2 hours of continuous use, more than enough for most of your builds and upgrade sessions, unless you're like me and have to take on and off those fans to get them in the right direction more than once. Either way, look for the Fanttik E1 Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver in my builds to come. I'll be definitely putting this through its paces here in the next couple of months. Until next time, keep building, keep streaming, and I'll see you at the Pixel Pub.